In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a coolant reservoir bottle on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the engine area. Before you remove your coolant reservoir, there's a couple of things that you need to take off first, one being this air filter housing and your air filter tube. First, you want to take your clamp, which is just a regular screwdriver or an 8mm, just loosen that up. Then you have your tube, pull it off the valve cover. Peel back your rubber boot from your air filter housing box. Now over to your 10mm, right there. 10mm bolt, remove that. Now you have your air inlet sensor. Push down on the tab with your finger, pull off to the side. And last, you have your 8mm or regular screwdriver for your other clamp that goes onto your throttle body. Loosen that up. Underneath the air tube box is a piece here. There's a clip. You just want to push that out. Remove it from the top. That's your clip. Take your tube, set it off to the side. Before you remove your air filter box, there's a snorkel piece here that has to come out. Before that, it actually attaches to your air filter box. One 10mm bolt and two 8mm bolts. Want to lift that straight up, put it off to the side. Take your air filter box, pull straight up, put it off to the side. Before you remove your coolant bottle, you can have your return hose that goes to the top of it. This clamp is a one-time use clamp only, so once you pop this clamp off, you want to replace it with a clamp like that. Take your screwdriver, just peel up. Put that hose off to the side. You have your two 10mm bolts behind here. One of them is covered by this clip. Just want to pull that straight up. And then you take your water bottle and pull straight up out of its holder. And there's your lower hose. You need to remove that, which is just a squeeze clamp. You're going to have coolant in this bottle, so it's going to spill. You could take a tub like this, try to catch some of the coolant so it doesn't make that much of a mess, but you do not want to reuse this coolant that comes out of this bottle. Put fresh coolant back in. Take your new coolant bottle, put your lower hose on, put your clamp back on, put your coolant reservoir bottle back in its holder, push down, take your two 10mm bolts, reinstall those. Give those a snug. And those get torqued down to 81 inch-pounds. Put your wiring clamp back on. Just push down straight. Take your top reservoir hose, put your new clamp over, slide it on, and tighten the clamp. Take your air filter box, push it back down over the two holders. Push it back down so it clicks in. Take your snorkel, push that down, line up your bolt holes. Give those a snug. Take your air inlet tube, put it down onto your throttle body, hook it up to your air filter box, put your tube back onto your valve cover, tighten your clamp, secure this piece into your clip, push your clip down, air intake sensor, wait for that click, then tighten your clamp around your throttle body. After you tighten down your clamp at your throttle body, put your 10mm bolt back in for your air inlet tube. Snug it up. Remove your cap from your reservoir bottle. Fill your bottle up to the line with whatever the manufacturer specs are for fluid and type of fluid. Run your vehicle. Wait for the fans to come on, or if you get heat inside, put your cap on, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.